This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Sharon Gallo. Welcome to Bear Creek. This stunning 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath and unit townhouse is ready for immediate occupancy at just $2,300 per month. Be the first to enjoy this brand new construction featuring a modern open floor plan, all appliances included, and spacious living areas, primary bedroom on main level. Enclosed lanai for your enjoyment, perfect for families or professionals, this home offers comfort, style, and convenience. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Move in today. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Gallo at 352-247-4492.